Yo guys, Rethink Solutions here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to optimize your Windows power setting so you guys can hop in game, slam, and hit crazy clips like this. So if you guys want the lowest latency and you want to increase your FPS, keep watching this video. Let's get cracked. Alrighty guys, so the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to head over to the link that's going to be in the description below, and it's going to bring you guys to the Google Drive page. Here you guys are going to see the Rethink Solutions Power Pack.zip. Let's go ahead and hit the top right download button here. Let's go ahead and click on this. So we're going to go ahead and wait for it to download, guys. And once it has been downloaded, you guys can go ahead and save it to your desktop or wherever you guys like. I'm going to go ahead and save mine to my desktop and click save. And then I'm going to go ahead and exit out of my browser. So after this, guys, if you guys don't see it on your Windows screen right away, you can go ahead and right click your screen and then click refresh, and then it should pop up if you guys don't see it, but you guys might see it automatically. So go ahead and double click the zip file, then go ahead and drag the folder that's inside of the zip file out to your desktop. After this has been dragged, guys, let's go ahead and double click into it. So then we're going to go ahead and pull up the file explorer. So first thing we're going to go ahead and do, guys, is right click the sudo lg.exe, and we're going to click run as administrator. We're going to make sure that we're running our reg edits through sudo every time to make sure that Windows gives the reg edits the proper privileges for it to stay upon every restart, to make sure that the registry edit changes that we're making actually stays in the Windows. So first thing we're going to do, guys, is we're going to go ahead and we'll see disable power throttling default desktop. So if you guys are on desktop, I want you guys to go ahead and disable this, and we're going to do this by clicking on the disable. Then we're going to go ahead and drag it over to the open box here in sudo, and I want you guys to go ahead and click on run. Then after this, it's going to ask you guys, are you sure you want to continue with this line of text, and I want you to click yes. This is going to significantly improve you guys' performance and make sure that your desktop is running at optimal power at all times. Now guys, the next thing we're going to go ahead and do is run into the power plan. So we can go ahead and close this sudo launcher here. And we can go ahead and start by going to the bottom left Windows search, and we're going to type in CMD. So it's going to bring up command prompt, guys. So once you do have it here, you're going to go ahead and right click on it. Then you're going to go ahead and click on run as administrator. So after this is done, guys, you guys are going to go ahead and go back to the folder, the Rethink Solutions Power Pack. And I want you guys to click on Power Plan CMD Text Import.txt. So double left click this, and you guys are going to see this Power CFG duplicate stream. So what this is, guys, is the ultimate power plan, and it's going to ensure you guys' Windows is running at the most optimal power to make sure that your game is being ran at the highest possible capacity that your PC can output. So I want you guys to go ahead and copy and paste this. You guys can do this by fully highlighting it and hitting Control-C, or you guys can right click it and click copy. From there, guys, I want you guys to go ahead and click over to CMD. I want you guys to just click in the black area here, and I want you guys to hit Control-V. So as you guys can see, it's going to say this, ultimate performance in parentheses here. After this, guys, I want you guys to just hit enter, and it should say ultimate performance in parentheses with the power scheme GUID with this line of code. So after you guys see ultimate performance, you guys can go ahead and exit out the CMD. Now that this is done, guys, you guys can go ahead and exit out all of this. And I want you guys to go ahead and go to Control Panel. So you guys are going to go to the bottom left, and you guys are going to type in Control Panel. Let's go ahead and click on this. And from here, guys, I want you guys to look for Power Options. So if you're in large icon, it's going to be right here in like the third row. And then in small icons, it's also going to be in the third row. So let's go ahead and click on Power Options. So from here, guys, it's going to go ahead and bring you guys to this list of power plans. So you guys are going to actually see the ultimate power plan that which we just added. So I want you guys to go ahead and click on this. So go ahead and click on ultimate power plan, guys. You're going to click on the ultimate performance power plan. So once this has been selected, you guys can go ahead and exit out of this. And I want you guys to go ahead and restart your computer. So after you guys restart your computer, you guys are free to go ahead and jump into any game that you'd like. I hope this increased you guys' Fortnite performance or any other game that you guys are willing to play. If it ever changes, you guys can ever just go into the bottom left, type in Control Panel, and open up the power options and pretty much just make sure that it's always on ultimate performance. And then yeah, so you guys will be good to go. So alrighty guys, if you guys have enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. It's been Rain Thing Solutions.